The 10 most common household cleaning blunders you're making right now. Most people spend 3 to 4 hours every week cleaning their homes. But here's the shocking part. Many of them are actually making their homes dirtier, damaging expensive items and wasting time. I'm Marcus, and on this channel, Seniors Cleaning Hacks, we show you the right way to keep your home spotless and protected. Hey, if you've ever worried that your cleaning routine might be hurting your home, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. We drop new cleaning tips every single week. Plus, if you find this video helpful, please drop a like and comment below. It really helps us grow this community of smart cleaners. Number 1. Protecting your wood floors from water damage. Your hardwood floors are one of the biggest investments in your home. Yet most people destroy them without even realizing it. The problem. The biggest mistake people make is using a soaking wet mop. When water sits on wood floors, it creates serious problems. The wood starts to swell, then it warps. The color changes. Mold can even grow underneath. This damage costs hundreds or thousands of dollars to fix. The right method. Use a spray bottle with a microfiber mop. This way, you control exactly how much water touches the floor. Spray the cleaner on the mop, not on the floor. Then wipe away the dirt and grime. After you're done, use a dry mop or clean cloth to remove any leftover moisture. This takes just a few extra seconds, but it protects your floors for years. Pro tip. Always keep a dry cloth nearby when cleaning wood. The moment you finish one section, dry it immediately. Number 2. Washing your clothes the wrong way. Many people wonder why their clothes don't smell fresh after washing. The answer is usually one of 2 mistakes. The problem. First mistake, shoving too many clothes into the machine at once. When the drum is packed too tight, clothes can't move around. They don't get clean. Plus, the motor has to work twice as hard, which breaks the machine faster. Second mistake, using too much detergent. People think more soap means cleaner clothes. Wrong. Extra soap leaves a sticky film on your clothes. This makes them feel stiff and look dull. The right method. Only fill the washing machine halfway. You should be able to fit your entire hand inside and still move it around easily. This gives clothes room to tumble and get fully clean. For detergent, measure it carefully. Most people use 2 or 3 times more than they need. Check the bottle for the correct amount based on your load size. Your clothes will be cleaner, your machine will last longer, and you'll save money. Pro tip. If you already have soap buildup on old clothes, run them through an empty wash cycle with just vinegar. This removes the film. Number 3. Cleaning mirrors without the streaks. Streaky mirrors are frustrating, but the problem isn't always the cleaner you use. The problem. Most people spray glass cleaner straight onto the mirror. By the time they grab a cloth, the liquid has already started dripping down. Also, many people use circular motions when wiping. This creates static electricity that attracts dust particles, so your mirror stays dusty even after cleaning. The right method. Spray the cleaner onto your cloth first, not the mirror. This gives you complete control. Then wipe using an S-shaped pattern. Start at the very top of the mirror and work your way down slowly. This motion prevents streaks and doesn't create static. Your mirror will look crystal clear every single time. Pro tip. Use a microfiber cloth, not paper towels. Paper towels leave tiny fibers behind. Number 4. Cleaning your water bottle properly. Water bottles are perfect places for mold and bacteria to hide. Most people aren't cleaning them thoroughly enough. The problem. Many water bottles have rubber pieces around the lid and straw. People usually just rinse the bottle and call it done. But mold grows inside those rubber pieces if you don't take them apart and let them dry completely. Drinking from a moldy bottle makes you sick. The right method. Take apart every single piece of your water bottle. Remove the rubber gasket, the lid, the straw, and anything else that comes off. Soak all the pieces in hot water with a little dish soap. Use a straw brush to scrub inside the straw and get out any buildup. Let everything air dry completely before putting the bottle back together. Do this every single day if you use the bottle daily. Pro tip: don't let water bottles sit wet in a dark bag. Always empty them and let them dry with the lid off. Number 5. Shining stainless steel without scratches. Stainless steel appliances look beautiful when clean, but many people accidentally scratch and streak them. The problem: regular all-purpose cleaner leaves behind streaks and clouds on stainless steel. Using a rough scrubber or scouring pad scratches the surface. Once scratched, stainless steel looks dull and damaged. The right method: only use cleaner made specifically for stainless steel. Pour a small amount onto a microfiber cloth. Then wipe in the same direction as the grain of the steel. Never scrub in circles. The grain direction matters because it prevents scratching. Your appliances will shine without any streaks or marks. Pro tip: when you're done, use a dry cloth to polish the surface. This removes any remaining moisture and makes it extra shiny.
Number 6. Washing your shower curtain liner easily. Most people try to scrub their plastic shower curtain liner by hand. This takes forever and doesn't work well. The problem: soap scum, mineral deposits, and mold build up on plastic liners. Scrubbing by hand is exhausting and sometimes doesn't remove everything. The right method: throw your plastic liner in the washing machine. This is the secret that most people don't know about. Use warm water on a gentle cycle. If the liner is very dirty, use hot water on a short cycle instead. Add some bleach if the liner is white or clear. Throw in a few old towels too. They help scrub the liner clean during the wash. After washing, put the liner in the dryer on low heat for just a few minutes. Don't leave it unattended. The goal is to remove extra water, not to fully dry it. Then hang the liner up to finish air drying. Pro tip: do this cleaning every month to prevent mold from building up. Number 7. Cleaning screens without damaging them. Your phone, computer, and TV screens need cleaning, but they're delicate and easy to damage. The problem: using harsh chemical cleaners can damage the special coating on screens. Rough sponges or tissues can scratch the surface. Also, if you spray cleaner directly onto a screen, it can leak into the device and cause electrical problems. The right method: use only cleaners made for electronics. Buy pre-moistened screen cleaning wipes or special dry cleaning cloths designed for screens. Never spray anything directly onto the screen. Instead, spray the cleaner onto the cloth first, then gently wipe the screen. Use light pressure. You're not trying to scrub dirt away. Just gently wipe away dust and fingerprints. Pro tip: clean your screens at least once a week. Regular light cleaning is better than occasional heavy cleaning. Number 8. Caring for your cast iron pans. Cast iron pans last for generations if you take care of them, but many people ruin them through incorrect cleaning. The problem: never soak a cast iron pan in water. Never put it in the dishwasher. The long soaking causes rust. The dishwasher strips away the protective oil coating that makes cast iron non-stick. The right method: after cooking, wash the pan with warm water and just a tiny bit of mild dish soap. Use a stiff brush to gently scrub away food particles. Rinse with warm water. Then heat the pan on the stove until all the water evaporates. While it's still warm, rub a small amount of cooking oil all over the surface using a paper towel. This oil coating protects the pan and makes it better for next time. There's another method too. Skip the soap completely. Instead, use coarse kosher salt and a wooden spatula to scrub out stuck-on food. This doesn't damage the seasoning. Pro tip: never use steel wool or rough scrubbers. These destroy the seasoning. Number 9. Cleaning windows the smart way. Most people pick the worst time to clean their windows. This is why they end up with streaks. The problem: many people clean windows on bright, sunny days. But when the sun is hot, Grass cleaner dries too fast. It hardens on the window before you even finish wiping. This leaves permanent streaks that are hard to remove. The right method: clean your windows on a cloudy day or when the sun is not shining directly on them. The glass needs to stay cool. Use your regular glass cleaner. Spray it on a cloth first, then wipe from top to bottom using an S-shaped pattern, just like with mirrors. When the glass is cool, the cleaner takes longer to dry. You have time to wipe it completely before streaks form. Pro tip: if you must clean on a sunny day, do just one window at a time and work quickly. Number 10. Protecting your natural stone countertops. Natural stone countertops are beautiful, but they're also fragile. Many cleaners damage them permanently. The problem? Never use bleach on natural stone. Never use ammonia-based cleaners. Never use vinegar or lemon juice. These are acid or harsh chemicals that break down the protective sealant on stone. Once the sealant is gone, the stone gets stained easily and deteriorates faster. Acid can also etch the surface, leaving permanent marks. The right method? Use only cleaners made specifically for natural stone. Look for products labeled pH neutral, which means they won't damage the sealant. Pour a small amount on a damp cloth and wipe the countertop. Dry it immediately with a clean cloth. This protects the stone and keeps it looking beautiful for years. Pro tip: reseal natural stone countertops every 1 to 3 years. This creates a fresh protective layer.
Final thoughts. There you have it. The 10 biggest cleaning mistakes people make, and exactly how to fix them. These changes will save you time, protect your home, and extend the life of your furniture and appliances. If this video helped you, please smash that like button and subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. We're building a community of people who clean smart, not hard. Drop a comment below and tell us which cleaning mistake you've been making. And please share this video with friends and family who need this information. Sharing helps us reach more people. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to damage your home. Use these methods and your house will stay clean and protected for years to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Seniors Cleaning Hacks.